In technology and digital innovation, Nairobi has emerged, as was said by His Excellency the President, as Africa's Silicon Savannah, one of the continent's most dynamic centers for fintech, digital innovation, and venture capital. Kenya is also a global leader in mobile money innovation and digital financial inclusion, with M-Pesa and our other broader fintech ecosystem transforming how millions of people and businesses transact, how they save, invest, and how they access financial services. We are implementing one of Africa's most ambitious digital superhighway programs, including nationwide fiber expansion, digitalization of government services, and the establishment of digital innovation hubs across the country. Through our expanded e-citizen platform, thousands of government services have been digitized, making it easier, faster, and much more transparent for business and investors to engage with government. Kenya continues to attract leading global technology and digital services companies, reinforcing Nairobi's position as a regional hub for innovation, software development, business process outsourcing, and digital commerce. We also see enormous potential for cooperation between Astana International Financial Center and the Nairobi International Financial Center as strategic financial gateways into Eurasia and Africa, respectively. Together, these institutions can help facilitate cross-border investment flows, infrastructure financing, private equity partnerships, sovereign investment cooperation, and new channels for capital formation linking our regions.